In the northern reaches of Palawan lies a private island few ever experience. This is Amanpulo, a sanctuary of white sand, turquoise waters, and deliberate stillness. Reaching Amanpulo is part of the ritual. Guests arrive by private charter, descending onto a quiet airstrip surrounded by sea. From there, the island unfolds slowly. No crowds, no noise, only the rhythm of nature. The sand here is impossibly soft. Powdered coral stretching uninterrupted. The water shifts between crystal blue and emerald green. Depending on the light, time feels different here. Slower, intentional. Amanpulo's casitas and villas are designed for privacy and openness. High ceilings, natural wood, floor-to-ceiling light, outdoor showers blend into tropical gardens, and many villas open directly to private stretches of beach. Beneath the surface, another world exists. Coral reefs surround the island, alive with color and movement. Sea turtles glide effortlessly through clear waters, unbothered, unhurried. Here, even silence feels immersive. Service at Amanpulo is discreet, yet deeply attentive. Fresh seafood, seasonal ingredients, island-inspired cuisine. Wellness rituals take place in open-air pavilions, surrounded by palm trees and sea breeze. Amanpulo is not simply a destination. It is an atmosphere, a retreat from urgency, a place where luxury is defined by space, silence, and the freedom to disconnect. Few places in the world remain this untouched. As the sun lowers over the Sulu Sea, the island grows even quieter. And for a moment, it feels like it belongs only to you. Amanpulo, private, serene, unforgettable,